Hi everyone, this is Sue from Zhuye Elevator Parts, and today I will bring you a spare part, which is this one. This is Otis elevator compensation chain guide wire. This is a very crucial component in elevator system. This guide wire helps to compensate the elevator compensation chain, which is very important in elevator suspension system. The chain helps to compensate for the weight of the elevator car when it moves up and down. And this guide wire helps the compensation chain stay aligned and prevent it from binding and getting entangled. Here, let's see what's the whole image of this compensation system. This picture, can you see? This is a part here, and this part, the waist is 88 millimeters, and the diameter is 55 millimeters. This is the whole part of the compensation system. And this part, the special is that it is not the common material made by the market. This is the original Otis part, which is made by the TPU material. You can see the surface is very smooth. When you use it, you must choose the original version because this is the safety part. You must choose the best quality. And Zhuye is professional for the original parts of the elevator brand like Otis, Schindler, Mitsubishi, Season, and so on. So today's introduction is over, and next time if you want to know more about the parts, Sue is here in town and welcome you to consult. See you next time. Bye.